Elevate your content. 10 must-have tools for YouTube dominance. Hello, aspiring YouTube creators. Today we're delving into the thrilling world of content creation, armed with the essential tools that will elevate your videos. I'm your host for today, and we've curated an exciting lineup of software to explore. But first, let me share a bit about my journey. I have two channels: my practice channel, Diabolical Chronicles Unearthed, launched on October 28th, 2023, and my main channel, Mr Inflnzr, where I unravel the stories of YouTube's famous influencers and explore how they became who they are today. First up, we have ChatGPT, a powerful language model that becomes your scripting companion, engages your audience, and helps brainstorm creative video ideas. Crafting compelling intros or responding to comments, ChatGPT is your virtual content creation ally. Tool number 2, Leonardo AI. Moving on to Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for creating stunning visuals. From designing eye-catching thumbnails to captivating channel art, Leonardo AI uses artificial intelligence to enhance your creativity and make your channel visually distinctive. Tool number 3, Opus Clip. Editing is the backbone of YouTube's success, and that's where Opus Clip shines. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned creator, this user-friendly video editing software is your go-to for trimming, cutting, and adding effects, ensuring your content is engaging and polished. Tool number 4, vidIQ. Now let's talk about optimizing your videos for discovery and growth. vidIQ is a must-have for every YouTuber. It helps you understand search trends, choose the right tags, and maximize your video's visibility. Strategic video planning becomes a breeze with vidIQ. Tool number 5, TeleVRR Video Downloader. Ever wanted to include clips from your favorite videos in your content? TeleVRR Video Downloader lets you legally download videos from various platforms. Remember to respect copyright rules and use these clips creatively in your own unique way. Tool number 6, Movavi Video Editor. For those seeking advanced editing features, Movavi Video Editor is your versatile choice. With a wide range of tools, from special effects to advanced color correction, unleash your creativity and elevate your videos to the next level. It's very easy to use and a fraction of the cost compared to most other editing tools. Tool number 7, Canva. Next on our list is Canva, a versatile design tool that's perfect for creating stunning graphics, thumbnails, video shorts, removing backgrounds, and other visual elements for your YouTube channel. With Canva's user-friendly interface and a wide range of templates, you can easily enhance the visual appeal of your content. Tool number 8, 11 Labs Speech Synthesis. 11 Labs brings you cutting-edge speech synthesis technology, allowing you to unleash the power of realistic, captivating speech in a wide range of languages. Elevate your videos with this advanced tool that brings a new level of engagement to your audience. Tool number 9, DID. DID is our next essential tool, enabling you to create AI videos and interact with talking AI avatars. Utilize DID's API or the Creative Reality TM Studio to add a unique and engaging dimension to your content. The possibilities are endless. Tool number 10, Fiverr. Our last essential tool on the list is Fiverr. Whether you need assistance with YouTube thumbnails, transforming your script into a captivating video, professional editing, or even guidance in creating your channel, Fiverr is your ultimate go-to place. If you're curious about the freelancers I personally used, feel free to drop a comment below. There you have it, aspiring YouTube creators. With ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Opus Clip, vidIQ, TeleVRR Video Downloader, Movavi Video Editor, Canva, 11 Labs, DID, and Fiverr, you're equipped to unleash your creativity and make waves on YouTube. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr Inflnzr, and for all the tools mentioned, find the link below. Happy creating!